Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Actually, using a chart is an effective way to visually present your data. As usual, we have to select the area with the relevant data and then go to Insert tab. Inside the Charts group, go and select the pie chart option. As you have seen, there are many options to choose, but for now I will select 3D pie chart, click on it, and Excel will automatically draw and insert the pie chart in the spreadsheet. To customize our chart, first we are going to adjust the position. This is simply done by clicking inside the blank area, hold the left mouse key and drag it to the place that you need to be, and then release. Improving the size of the chart is done by clicking on any corner on the circle here, click and drag it to fit the size that you need it to be, and then release. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the values 50%, 35%, 15% on my chart. This is done by clicking on the plus sign here and adding data label. Also, you can choose inside and outside and many options, but for now I will select data call up. Also, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the style of the chart. This is simply done by clicking on the chart and then inside the chart styles, click on the arrow here to choose the style that you want. For example, this one is good, choose it. And changing the color of the chart is very simple. Here there is an option, change colors, choose it, choose any color, for example this one, click on it. And what I'm going to show you now, I'm going to show you that charts in Excel are dynamics. Let's prove this. For the nuts and bolts, here we have 35% and 15%. I'm going to change the values and you will see how the values in the chart will be changed. Instead of 35, I will type 25%, and instead of 15%, I will type 25% also. And this means that chart in Excel is dynamic, and any change in the data table will have an automatic change in the chart. Finally, I'm going to rename the title of the chart. This is simply done by clicking on the chart title, then double click to remove and rename. Give the title a name, inventory, and then change the color and the style of the title by click on the title, right click and go to style, choose the style that you want, for example this one. Also you can change the color, for example to red maybe, click on it. This is everything for today. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.